Hey, what's up guys? So if you're not getting views on your YouTube channel, here are two things you can test. Before we jump into it, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. Here's my YouTube channel. So let's look at the tactic number one you can test. We're gonna go to, and by the way, these are data-based tactics. So we're gonna look at the data and then make smart decisions. So we're gonna go to YouTube Studio. That's where all the analytics are for your channel. So when you go to YouTube Studio, go to analytics. So I'm gonna, from the left hand side, click on analytics, and now it's gonna show you, if you scroll down, it's gonna show you, let me actually zoom out of this so you can see it clearly. Here are all the videos, the top videos. So I'm looking at the data for last 28 days, and here are all the videos. So what you want to do here is look at the videos that you created about 6 months ago and they are still getting traffic. Guess what? If you made videos about 6 years ago or 6 months ago and they're still getting traffic now, those topics are popular among your audience. So what you want to do is, for example, right here, this was made in November 5th, so that's more than 6 months ago. You want to create similar videos, or you want to create videos along the same line. So for example, just to give you an example, let's say right here, this video is about how to download free music from YouTube, right? So seems like my audience wants to know about getting access to free music. So maybe I can create another video, 3 free tools to get royalty-free music, right? Something similar, which is similar to this topic, this video idea. Another thing you can do is, instead of looking at last 28 days, I'm gonna look at last 7 days, right? Even like a shorter time frame. And what you will realize, look at this. So for me, this data is pretty much the same. So my top videos are still the same. That tells me these topics, the free music, sharing someone's Instagram story, recording Zoom meetings, those are hot topic for among my audience. So I can use these ideas and create similar videos to get more views. So that was tactic number one. Now let's look at tactic number two. I'm gonna go back to the last 20 days data. And now go to, in your analytics, go to the audience tab and then scroll down, and we're going to look at this section called other channels your audience watches. So what is this? These are other channels that your audience is watching. So these channels are also popular among your audience. So here's what you want to do. Pick one of these, a channel that you feel is more relevant to you, your brand. For example, for me, Ben Heath is very, very similar creator. I create a lot of content about Facebook ads. He creates content about Facebook ads. Totally, that's his niche, that's his area. So I'll open his channel in a separate tab. And now let's give it a few seconds. And now here's what you want to do. Go to his video section and then sort videos by most popular, right? So we're going to a channel that my audience is already watching, and then we're looking at the top videos on that channel. And now what you want to do here is go through these, and obviously these are great topics and don't steal the video idea, don't steal the video concept, but look at what topics are popular and then take notes, and then maybe you can create similar topics. Look at this, for example, right here, how to generate 80,000 Facebook page likes. So maybe he had a page and he generated 80,000 likes. Maybe you have a page and you have generated 10,000, right? So it's a similar idea, but we're not like sort of quote unquote stealing his video. Maybe you have generated 5,000, maybe you have generated 30,000, but whatever, it looks like people want to know how to generate a specific number of likes on a Facebook page, right? So that's a really good idea. So here's something I like to look at in the most popular. You want to see if you can find something very recent. So some of these are 2 years ago. So obviously because of the time, they have a lot of views, but you want to see if you can find something that's 1 year or even like 6 months, but has a lot of views. For example, right here, this is really interesting. Facebook ads for e-commerce 11 months ago, 31,000 views. So I'm not finding anything in 6 months right now. Oh, here you go. 3 months ago, Facebook ads retargeting has changed. So if you know Facebook ads and iOS, there's been a lot of debate. This is a hot viral topic among my niche, right? So you see how by looking at the channel and the most popular videos, look for videos that are more recent, maybe less than 6 months ago, and then that has tons of views, because that topic is probably hot among their audience and your audience, and then you can recreate a similar video or along the same line. So try these two tactics, data-based, if you have low views on YouTube. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.